Hi all, welcome back. In the last videos I have explained about subset construction and I have explained an example of how we can convert the NFA into equivalent DFA using subset construction. In subset construction, we need to consider all the subsets of the set of states of the NFA to generate the equivalent DFA. But here in this example, we are not going to consider all the states because if you consider all the states of all the subsets of the NFA, after construction of the DFA, we need to again minimize the DFA in terms of the set of states by finding the non-reachable states of the DFA. But here in this example, we are directly considering the optimal states of the, that means reachable states of the DFA, and after that with that states only we are going to construct the DFA. So let us go into the example. So here is a NFA given and this is equivalent transition table. So let us construct the DFA. So for the construction of DFA, let us assume that the DFA which is going to be constructed is M dash and it is a 5-tuple notation. We already know that Q dash, sigma dash and delta dash, Q naught dash and F dash. So here consider Q dash first. So how many states are there in Q? Generally how we can take Q dash in the sense by considering all the subsets of Q, that means subsets of states of the NFA. So how many states are there in NFA? NFA consisting of 4 states. So for 4 states, generally equivalent DFA should consisting of 2 power 4 states. That means it should consisting of 16 states. But here we are not going to consider all the states because some of the states are maybe non-reachable, right? So let me tell you how we can consider only the reachable states. Let's wait. So next, coming to the input alphabet. So as you know that inputs are directly taken from the NFA. So here the input symbols are 0 and 1. So here also in DFA also we are going to consider the symbols 0 and 1 directly. Coming to the transitions. So let us start with the state Q naught. Let us start with the state Q naught. So here for the single state we need to consider the inputs 0 and 1. Here for the single state, if you want a transition according to the subset construction, if a transition is on a single state, then we can directly take the transition of the NFA. So Q naught on 0. From NFA, Q naught on 0 goes to Q1, Q2. So you can directly take the transition Q1, Q2. Okay. Q naught on 1 is 5 here. So here also I am writing 5. Okay. And after that I am having, okay. Actually next I need to consider Q2 and after that I need to consider Q3 and after that I need to consider Q4, but I am not doing like this. So here after finishing one row of the transition table, let me check what are the reachable states. So here we have start with Q naught. So this is reachable and with Q naught with 0 goes to Q naught Q2. So this is reachable. So next I need to consider only the reachable state. So that is Q naught, Q1, Q2. So here I am considering only Q1, Q2. So Q1, Q2 on 0. So according to the subset construction, if you are going to perform a transition on some set of states, we need to unite the individual transitions. That means we need to consider Q1 on 0 transition union. Next Q2 on 0 transition. Q1 on 0. Q1 on 0 goes to Q1, Q2. So Q1 on 0 goes to Q1, Q2. And after that, Q2 on 0 goes to 5. So here is the resultant state. And after that, Q1, Q2 on 1. First consider Q1 on 1. Q1 on 1 goes to 5. Next consider Q2 on 1. Q2 on 1 goes to Q1, Q3. So here the resultant states are Q1 comma Q3. Okay. So here we have started initially at the Q naught and after that with 0 the reachable state is Q1, Q2. So this is the reachable state Q1, Q2 and after that Q1, Q2 with the input 0 it goes to Q1, Q2 again. It is already marked as a reachable state, no need to mark it again. And next with 1 it goes to Q1, Q3. That's why we need to consider another reachable state only. So this is reachable. Q1, Q3 is the state which is reachable from Q1, Q2. So I am considering Q1, Q3. So Q1 on 0 union, Q3 on 0 I need to consider. Q1 on 0. Q1 on 0 goes to Q1, Q2. So this is Q1, Q2. Q3 on 0. Q3 on 0 goes to again Q1, Q2. So this is enough. So here the resultant state is Q1, Q2. And next Q1 on 1. Q1 on 1 goes to 5. And Q3 on 1. Q3 on 1 goes to 5. So here is 5. Next. So here with the Q1, Q2, with 1 it goes to Q1, Q3. So it can be marked as reachable state. And with 0 it goes to Q1, Q2. It is already marked. And with the 1 it goes to 5. So there is no new state to consider. So if at all you have new state, then only we need to proceed further. So from the beginning, let me explain once again. So here we need to start with initial state, and with the Q0, with the 0, this is the resultant state. Since this is a new state, we need to consider it again. Again for Q1, Q2, with 0 it goes to Q1, Q2, and with 1 it goes to Q1, Q3. So Q1, Q2 is already marked as a reachable state. Now we need to consider Q1, Q3. This is a new state actually. So consider Q1, Q3. Again Q1, Q3 with input 0 goes to Q1, Q2 and input 1 goes to 5. Here Q1, Q2 is not a new state. It is already marked as a reachable state. And 5 no need to consider 5. So there is no need to further expand the transition table. This is our optimal DFA in terms of number of states. So we can directly construct the DFA from this table. Okay, these are all about the set of transitions of the DFA. And next consider initial state Q0. We know that the initial state of the DFA can be taken from the set of initial state of the NFA. So here initial state is Q0 here. So we can mark this one as a, here also mark Q0 as an initial state. And next consider final state. What is meant by final state? So final state of the DFA is the set of states which consisting an element of F. So here the final states are Q0 and Q1. So here the states which consisting of Q0 and Q1, those states are identified as the final states. So here we have Q0. So this is identified as final state. And next either Q0 or Q1, right? So here you have Q1 and here also you have Q1. So here all three states are marked as final states. So let us draw the transition diagram with this. Let us draw the transition diagram. So here I have started with the state Q0. This is initial as well as final state. And after that I am having the state Q1, Q2. So here I can write the state Q1, Q2. This is also both initial. This is the final state. And next Q1, Q3. So Q1, Q3. This is also a final state. Okay. And with the input 0, Q0 with input 0 goes to Q1, Q2. So with 0 it goes to Q1, Q2. And next with the 1 it goes to 5, dead state. So we need to take dead state, and with 1 it goes to dead state. And again Q1, Q2 with 0 goes to Q1, Q2 again. So here we are having self loop. And next Q1, Q2 with 1 goes to Q1, Q3. So with 1 it goes to Q1, Q3. And Q1, Q3 with 0 goes to Q1, Q2. So with 0 it goes to Q1, Q2. And with 1 it goes to the dead state. So with 1 it goes to the dead state. And in DFA every state has transitions with both the inputs, right? Including the dead state. That's why we need to add 0, 1 transitions to the dead state. So this is the equivalent DFA for the given NFA. So thank you for watching the video.